Patrick Osterhaus, CTO of Protera Technologies. So as CTO, I am responsible for innovating our AppCare platform, bringing the latest technologies from the cloud and from SAP and our partners into providing a better solution for our customers.
Tina Damopoulos, the CEO at Protera Technologies.
My name is Carl Lafaux, and I'm responsible for the SAP hosting and AMS lines of business.
Protera Technologies started in 1998. We're coming up to our 20th anniversary this October, and we started off with professional services, focusing on basis professional services for SAP specifically, and then with Dean Adamopoulos joining us as CEO in 2008, we added our hosting certifications as well as managed services at that time. And since then, we've grown to be a global partner from SAP, with SAP, as well as our 5 certifications. So we continue to expand our suite of services around SAP, the core of SAP, and bringing the latest cloud technologies to bear for our customers.
Protera was founded in 1998 by Patrick Osterhaus. I joined Protera in 2008 as Patrick's partner, and with a focus on growing this company to be the best.
We're really excited about the growth that we've had over the last few years. Last year we added the SAP Global Hosting Certification. We're one of just a handful of providers. We're the only one that's mid-market focused. As we've really looked at expanding the business globally, we've opened up some new offices in Central America, in Europe. We've got a new office in Amsterdam. We're opening a new office in the UK as well. We obviously have offices in Asia.
We're an SAP global partner, one of the few companies that SAP has certified to become global partners in their ecosystem. As part of our growth, we have expanded our presence in 3 continents, Americas being one of them, Europe being our second region, and Asia being our third.
It's funny because I go back to the beginning of the managed services at Protera. So I had helped launch our AMS hosting, cloud, and ultimately HANA mobility, all of those service offerings at Protera. So we started out as a really family-oriented company. We started out in the US, which was kind of our foundation where we come from. And as we look at the growth and the expansion of SAP globally, we look at the opportunities and we see that we've grown greatly over the last couple of years, but with what's happening with the HANA transformations, the S4, what we're doing with FlexBridge, the ability for us to actually be able to go into a customer and transform their environment. So transform from a traditional database to HANA, but even more so to be able to use the FlexBridge technology to take them all the way to S4. To be able to really offer that with the same level of passion that we do and we've been able to do over the last few years is really exciting to me.
Our mission is to build a company where customer satisfaction is our #1 goal.
Gauge that by customer referenceability. And every single one of my customers is referenceable. So it's nice to be able to go sit in front of a customer and say, well, you want to talk to a reference? Here's the list. Here's the list of all my customers. Which one do you want to talk to? So really, that's how I gauge customer satisfaction. There's a lot of things that we do from an operational perspective where I think we kind of separate ourselves from a lot of the competitors out there. If you look at the way that we handle customer engagements, we not only look at how do the systems run for you today, but what can you be doing better? How can you take more advantage of not just the cloud, but how can you improve your operational performance? So our team is really good about proactively looking at what are your top transactions? What are the key trends that we're starting to see in your systems? And we make recommendations to the customer to help them to be able to provide business value. And at the end of the day, if we can help them save time on running transactions, it's transparent, it filters back down to the end users. So we do a lot with customer satisfaction. Obviously we do internal, external customer satisfaction surveys, but at the end of the day for me, it's referenceability.
So customer satisfaction is very key. It's in our, I'd say, our DNA of Protera. It's something that we take very seriously, and it's ingrained in all of our senior leaders as well as all of our employees. And I think it's something that we think about on a daily basis of how do we make the customer give them the best solution as well as provide the best service to them. So it's ingrained in all of our services, how we build our AppCare platform. It's within our SLAs that we want to make sure we have our best response times to getting tickets as well as performing of the systems. So it's part of our daily job to make sure we always have customer service in top of mind.
very excited about Protera's future. We see that we're in a great position to help our customers based on all the change that's happening in terms of cloud, in terms of applications, in terms of SAP changes and new features and functions that they're offering. So we believe that we can continue to build the expertise and the services that would allow us to be one of the premier companies in our business.